Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The Stony Girl here. For today's project, we are going to make a DIY multi-purpose basket. This is something you can use in so many ways, in so many places. For storage and for deco, you can use it in your house or outdoor, going out for picnic. You want to carry some food, some flowers. This is the basket for you. Let's make the best out of waste. I have this nice shaped cardboard that I got from the non-stick cookware packaging, and I kept it for some time so that I may use it to make the basket. We have the ropes, we have the strings that we're going to use for deco. I have some scissors for cutting and a pen. So let's move ahead. I want to make some mark on the cardboard that is down there. I'm going to draw some circle. I want it to be the same shape that is inside the nice shaped cardboard. So I'm just drawing some circle to guide me on which shape do I want. So after cutting this, I'm going to use my glue to stick it on this nice shaped cardboard. And always I use this as a base. You need to make your basket as strong as enough. It needs to carry some few items. Even if it is so light, you need the base to be very strong. So that's why I'm adding some layer. I'm going to use my string or rope to do some coverage. Now this coverage is the deco part of it. Everything has to be covered. We are going to cover the cardboard. Someone is not going to notice that we are using a cardboard. So I'm using the string or the thread, some glue stick there to stick it round until we cover it fully up to the last part, that is around the circumference. So just keep following, move with me step by step. And if you have any other glue, it's not a must to use the glue gun and the glue sticks. Any other glue that is strong enough that can give you a very good base. Now the glue also gives the cardboard some strength. By the way, you need to know that. If you use the simple office glue, it may not be that strong. So just choose any glue you have, make it as strong as you can by adding some layer down there. Now I've just finished covering the base with the string. That is the bottom part from outside. So we're going to cover both the outside part and the inside part. I've used plain color for the outside part and it is fully covered now. I'm trying as much as I can to cover every space, as you can see. Now we're done with the outside part of the base and we are here to do the inside part, whereby I'm going to try and alternate the colors. I have two colors, that is jungle green and some cream. So I've started with the jungle green from inside and I'll try do some cream around the center. Then outside circle I'll use the jungle green again. So it's the same procedure. I'm just sticking it around. Now if you're new to my YouTube channel, it's time to recognize your presence. Thank you so much for joining us here. You're going to love this. I'm sure you're going to learn something at the end of the video. Please leave a comment, like the video. Remember to subscribe. That is the most important thing. Your support is all I need. It encourages me to move on and make more videos. I also appreciate those who have been here, those who have been keeping me going, those who are dropping their comments, hitting the bell there, liking the videos, and also sharing with their friends. Thank you so much, my friends. I'm this far because of your support. Please continue with the same spirit. Those who are new, please join the family. Let's do this together. Subscribe, like the videos, leave a comment, and share with a friend. Alright, that is done. The next thing we are going to do is proceed to the portion that is cut into some nice pattern. So what I'm going to do at the base, I'm sure there are some spaces that were left which were not covered when I was going with the string round at the top and at the bottom. There is just some portion that is left in between them. So I'm trying to intertwine the two color of string in between those shapes so that I cover the space both at the bottom, inside and outside. I hope you can follow. I hope you can see it clearly. Then after doing that, I'm going to cover every, let me call them leaflets. I'm not so sure which name to give this pattern. Let's call them the leaflets. I hope you understand. So I'm going to cover each and every leaflet with the string. Just go around it, cover both the front and the back, or maybe say inside and outside using the string. And I'm going to alternate the colors. We have the jungle green and the cream. So as you can see, the one I've just started with is the cream one. I'm covering it with a string and I'm trying to make the string closely, neatly done. Remember, this thing is for deco also. It's not just for storage. You need to make it as neat as possible because it is used also for deco. So it needs to be beautiful, it needs to be neat. So I've covered the first one, then I'm going now to cover the next one using the jungle green color. The same procedure, the same pattern, just going around with the string and covering every piece. No one should realize which materials you are using for this. That's why we are covering completely, covering every little space. Make sure they are close together, neatly done, and you can stick it with the glue at the top so that it doesn't come out, so that it sticks very strongly. Next, we are going to join these leaflets. Now, I'm using my string for deco, the golden one, to join the leaflets so that the basket shape comes out. Now, I'm using this as a deco, yes, but it also works as a build-up. Remember, we need to get the shape of the basket. We have just covered the leaflets with the strings, but they're lying down. So what do we use, or how do we bring them up so they get the shape of the basket? You can either stick them with the glue side by side, but I chose to stick them close together using this string or this rope that I'm using also for deco. So remember, it's a multi-purpose basket. Even the materials are multi-purpose. We are using them to cover, we are using them to build up, and we are also using them for deco. Wow, very nice. I'm loving this. I'm really enjoying it. Though it's very tiring, you need some patience to do this. You need to sit down, avoid any interruption so that your work is neat and it flows nicely. And I'm loving this. So we are there at the last leaflet and I'm joining them together. I'm sure you can see the shape of the basket is here. You can clearly see there is a basket forming already. So I've joined the two from where I started to where I've finished, and I'm sticking it with some glue so that the ends are a bit neat. And I hope you can see this. The basket is building up. The basket is coming up and I'm loving it. Wow. Now I'm going to crochet something here. I don't know which name to give it, but I'm going to do some crochet so that we start doing some deco. We're going to decorate our basket both at the top and at the bottom. I'm so sure if you look at the basket, you can see some portion of the cardboard still visible. We need to cover that. So I'm doing some crochet. I hope you can follow that pattern. Just look at it keenly. And I'm going to use this to cover every piece that is left hanging or visible.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
And have fun. That is done. So the last piece we are going to make is the handle for the basket so that it's easier to carry and move with around. So I've just done the same crochet but now in a different color, in cream. The same pattern I did before for the top part and the bottom. That is the same pattern I've used for making the handle. This one is helping us carry the basket around. Even if you're carrying anything, you use or you hold it from the handle. If you want to hold it from the bottom, still good. Our basket is ready, neatly done, complete. Do you like this? Please let me know at the comment section. Those who are here for the first time, remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so much grateful. Please let me know what you feel at the comment section. Like the videos, subscribe, and share this with a friend. Let's enjoy and have fun. Make one and share with me. So like I said earlier, this is a multi-purpose basket. I'm having it now, carrying my tomatoes and onions. Very neat, very beautiful, so encouraging. You'd want to use it. Again, at the next step, I am having it in my laundry area. It's carrying my soap and my other items. You can even put the pegs inside it. You can put your towels. So beautiful and neatly done. It's bringing some order. So I'm not going to show every variety of work you can do with this. The next one, I'm having some tissue rolls. You can either keep them in your bedroom or even in your toilet, any other place you can put this. So there's so many ways you can use this bucket. Thank you so much guys for watching. Till we meet next time. Bye.